Start. Through instant miscellaneous application, Muhammad Wasim, applicant oblique convict, seeks suspension of execution of sentence awarded to him by Learned Additional Sessions Judge Lahore oblique trial court wide impugned judgment dated 28 to 2023 passed in complaint case titled as Amjad Ali versus Muhammad Salim etc in case arising out of FIR number 344 oblique 2012, dated 4/4/2012, registered under sections 302, 452, 148, 149 PPC, etc. at police station Samanabad, Lahore, whereby he has been convicted and sentenced with imprisonment for life under section 302 subsection B PPC along with payment of compensation of rupees 500,000 under section 544A CRPC to the legal heirs of Muhammad Arshad deceased of the case and in default thereof to further undergo simple imprisonment for 6 months full stop. Benefit of section 382B CRPC was also extended to the applicant oblique convict full stop after hearing learned counsel for the parties, learned deputy district public prosecutor and going through the impugned judgment appended with the appeal. It has been noticed that brief facts of the occurrence as per complaint have been mentioned in paragraphs number 2, 3 of the impugned judgment and perusal whereof reveals that accused persons, namely Muhammad Salim, Muhammad Wasim, present applicant, Muhammad Adil, Salahuddin, and two unknown accused armed with firearm weapons dragged Muhammad Arshad, now deceased of the case, Salahuddin accused, Rez al Alkara, accused persons started firing, Muhammad Salim accused made direct fire with rifle which hit at the chest of Muhammad Arshad, whereas accused persons made indiscriminate firing, in result whereof fire shots hit at walls of the houses, Muhammad Arshad succumbed to injuries full stop. Muhammad Salim, aforementioned co-accused, who, as per case of the prosecution, caused injury to the deceased of the case, as well as Muhammad Adil and Salahuddin, co-accused persons, whose roles are at par and similar with the present applicant, have already been acquitted in the case by the trial court on the basis of same evidence through the same impugned judgment full stop. As per case of the prosecution, pistol was recovered from Muhammad Salim, co-accused, mentioned above, whereas pistol and 44-bore rifle were recovered from present applicant. However, after going through the impugned judgment, it has been appraised by learned counsel for both the parties as well as learned deputy district public prosecutor that it has not been mentioned in the impugned judgment that empties secured from the place of occurrence were found as having been fired from said weapons full stop. When all aforementioned factors are taken into consideration in totality, then conviction recorded and sentence awarded to the present applicant needs reappraisal of evidence full stop. In view of what has been discussed above, case of the applicant for suspension of execution of the sentence has been made out full stop. Resultantly, instant miscellaneous application is allowed full stop.